If you're cleaning your phone, I believe the gallery trash is always full. Deleted photos and videos are automatically permanently deleted 30 days after deletion. Until then, our phone is still cluttered with the memory of those photos and videos. Let's help the phone and, in a few steps, empty the trash on your Android phone together. Let's start. Open the Gallery app. Then click on the 3 lines in the bottom right corner. Among other functions, you will find Trash. Click on the trash icon to open it. Here are all my deleted photos and videos. If you want to delete just one specific photo or video, open it by clicking and pressing the Delete button. Then click Delete again. And you have permanently deleted the photo or video. If you want to delete all items at once and empty the trash, go back one step. Press the 3 dots in the top right corner and click on Empty. In the window, confirm once again that you want to delete the items by clicking Delete. Very soon, your trash will be empty. At the same time, you will have more space for new photos and videos while removing unnecessary ones. I hope the video was useful and clear. If you liked it, like it and subscribe to the channel.